Okay, this is a update video. I got a chance to talk to Billy. Billy said that you could put the old version and new version together. So what I'm going to do is I went and copied all the old stuff back into the original, which I hid it over here last time. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is take this update and I'm going to cut it and then put it into the Hylo stick and put it over here, because I don't want to delete it, because just in case I need it later. And then I'm going to copy the version 1 hack update, because they have the same name and I don't want to overwrite it, so I want to put both hack into the Neo Geo Pro stick. So I'm going to go back to the update and do this update. Now I already have the CD key. If you guys wanted to do the CD key, which is not really necessary because you have more game. You got 109 game, and this is just adding the unlock key, so it's really not necessary. But if you wanted to, there is a video on the description by Mad Little Pistol. You can look at that one. So I'm going to try to see if I could put the old hack back in by just doing the update without see if I could do that, and then we could access the final burnout, the Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Color, and Mega Drive, and what's that, Super Nintendo. Now PC Engine do not work. I just put it there just to see, but it do not work. Okay, in case you guys see this and say, hey, do PC Engine work? No, it doesn't. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and reject this, and then let's go test it out. All right, I just put the USB back into the Pro stick, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the power on the side on right here. Push it forward, and let's see what happened. All right, we're going to try to see if we could add the other hack to it. So we are going to boot up from the original. Okay. So what I did is I copied all my old stuff back in here. Now I went and add my key back in there. To do that, you just go to setting. If you already hacked this in the past, all your folder is still the same. So you just go in and then do the system, and then just do the unlock right there, and it will unlock all your 20 game that was hidden. It will bring it back. Okay, that's all I did on the to give me the 40 game. Now we're gonna do bring back the old hack and see if we could access the old hack so we could play the other game. All right, so I'm gonna do update. See, now it's recognizing the old hack because I moved the Hylo image into his own folder, which is the ASP. In that folder, you open that folder, you could pretty much do the same thing you do like you did with the Neo Geo Mini. You just add the picture, add the cache, add the game ROM, everything like I did on the previous video. Just do the same thing like you do with the Neo Geo Mini Pro. I'm sorry, Neo Geo Mini Hack. It's the same folder structure to do that. So let me go ahead and click confirm, and now we should have 3 options now. Okay, when you boot up. Okay. All right. Okay, now it's updating the old hack in here as well. Now I don't know which one to do first. Hopefully this is okay to do it this way. So we're gonna see pretty soon if this is okay. Now, so that means if you wanted to put Hylo hack, you don't have to uninstall the old one. You just go into the system update and make sure that image is in there in a USB. Just copy the old one, the old image, into a different folder, so that way it will recognize the new one, and then you click the update. I think this is going to take like a couple of minutes, so we're going to come back once it's finished, because I think this will take a couple of minutes to complete. Okay, finally finished about close to 12 to 14 minutes updating the first hack. This first hack will allow you to still play the old hack. It didn't interfere with this hack, but in order to do that, you will have to move HyloStick the update.img into another folder, so that way you could put the old one back in there. But you still need part 1.img, part 2.img to be a complete set, I believe, in order for you to do the HyloStick update and the Neo Geo Hack. Okay, so the Neo Geo Hack is going back to the old hack, so that you could still play your arcade game and the flash drive, the old stuff. So this is still the old hack from the original. You just press A and then you go into any of this option. So yeah, so the hack is still there. This the old one. So all this is all the Neo Geo Hack from the hack 1. Now, but those doesn't have the bio. So to get out, you're just gonna press B. Now you can't go out without rebooting it. So I'm just gonna turn it off and turn it back on. Now, what I was told is that once the image is stored into your Neo Geo Pro stick, you don't need those 3 images. You could remove it from your SD card if you want to save space, but like I say, mine is 256. I don't really need to save space. I got enough space in there. So, but if you want to save space, you could remove those images after it is already been upload. You could say upload or download into the internal storage. So the hack is already applied to the system, but in order to play the game, you still need the flash drive. Okay, so once you hack it, you don't need those images anymore, and then you just go into HyloStick, and the character that was animated is I call everything Final Fight. It's not Final Fight. It's the character is actually the guy with a hat called the Wheel Fatal Fury character, or he's also in the Wheel Butt fighting game. Okay, so that's the character that was in there. Focus the screen again. Okay, so here I was told there's no limit in adding the game. You could add as much as that it allow you. If it work, you could add it. So you could add it and see if it work. If it work, you just keep on adding it. And so the adding method is the same as the Neo Geo mini hack. Okay, so you just have to create a game. You have to go to that folder called the ASPh. In that folder, you will see cache folder, ROM folder, game folder, location. So you just have to do the same thing like you do with Neo Geo Mini. Okay, all right. So this hack is the one that you will, for example, where am I? Where's that little character? Okay, let's just press start the game. Press A again. Hold the A, B, and C same time. Just hold it. Okay, A, B, and C, and you will have this option when you first start the game. And then you could go to here. You could select I want to play the United States version. I press B, and then I want the arcade, the MVS. I press A, and now I'm in arcade. So get out. You just press the C button to get out that screen. Watch C, and we'll get out that screen, and then the game starts. Okay. And to get out, you will have to press on to get out this game, you have to press the size of this here. All the select, start, and option screen is all here. So to get out, you have to press the option screen to get out. Okay, select, start, and turbo. Okay. So if you want to save, you have to press on the side the options. So here you're just going to press the start button on the side. right here on the side to start the game. And then press the select instead of stop. Press B to get out. Okay. This is arcade, so you have to insert the coin. See, this is inserting the coin. You see the credit 3. If I press the, now its credit is 4, and so on. And then you press the one on top is starting the game, and then you just press A, select a character. I guess any character. Press A. So I'm only playing one button, so I probably will get beat up. Alright, so to get out, you will have to press on the side the option, okay, and then just press A to get out. Alright, so just let you know that you could put the old hack back in, those of you who still want to play the arcade version and the other one. So that's how you do it. Okay. All right. Hopefully this answers some of the questions that you guys have, and I'll talk to you later.